it loads in there good. I gotta say that. I like the ingenuity of this. That's great. Katie's Bubbles, Mile High. Love this stuff for my head. Works great. I'm not gonna show this whole lather because I'm gonna let this stuff, sit on my head to really soften up those hairs. I did just get out of the shower, but I don't know, that makes a big difference for me. What about you? What the hell? Might as well just go everywhere right now. I feel that tingling on my head. These Katie Bubbles, man. Oops. Huh. Uh-oh, might have cut myself there. Oh, getting filled up. The razor feels amazing on my head. The valleys in this razor are so huge. Look at them things. And then you got, got an area in the back for it to come out too. I mean, come on. Now I'm going to take this down to a 3. Bam! That's going to be difficult with this razor. That's all I'm saying. That's my biggest problem with this razor. Oh, the nose, it's fine. Okay. Cutting in stuff. Oh, look, got it already. Darn it. with the grain on my neck, I think I'm going to drop it down to a 2. Thanks for all your comments, because this is definitely helping me out in my shave, and I do read them all, and I try to respond to every one of them. So everybody was saying, don't go so high. Come back down to reality. And I'm going to. Thank you. And thank you so much for all of my subscribers. You guys are awesome. Yeah, might as well flip it. Alum block. You know, it's always this side too. Didn't I cut it there last time? I think so. Damn, dude. Is I shaving that with my offhand? I don't think so. All right. Let's do it all over again. See if we can get a little better at this. All right, we're going to go back up to a 6 just to see if I can get this. Ooh, that hurt. We're going to try it on a 1. No. Let's go up to a 2. Well, let's go 2.5. I think 2.5 might be where I want to start this out at. Well, ooh, it still hurts. Yeah, I'm going to say the 2.5 feels like a Merkur 34C. Definitely. I take that back. It doesn't feel like it. Same type of tones and feedback I get from a 34C. It's jumping around a little bit. All right, so let's run an alum block over that. Oh yeah, stinging here. Oh yeah, right down here as well. Around that ear really hurts. Yeah, it's... All right, up front. Nothing up top. Ooh, right here hurts. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh. Okay. Ooh, face is even burning. Damn. Yeah. Wow. Still have hair there. Man, I'd like to get one good shave out of this razor. I don't think it's going to happen. Man, that one's pretty deep too. My head's burning. Yeah, I got to tell you what, that razor, comment down below. I can't shave with it. I mean, I know a lot of you guys like it. Man, I can't get a good shave with it. I mean, I feel like a novice. Whew. Damn. All right. I am going to remove. That's another thing I don't like about this. Every time I pull that apart, the razor just goes flying. I don't care for that either.